Welcome to Metaburst number 2. The topic for today is Metacognition Awareness Inventory. The outcome is that by the end of this Metaburst, you will define the 2 key metacognitive components of knowledge. You'll reflect on your own specific behaviors to evaluate where your metacognitive strengths and challenges are, and you'll intend to make small behavioral shifts to help improve your metacognitive abilities and overall academic performance. If you remember from the last Metaburst, you saw this diagram showing you the 2 categories of metacognition: knowledge of thinking and regulation of thinking. The inventory you're going to take today breaks this down a little bit further. Under knowledge, we move into declarative, procedural, and conditional knowledge, and you will be looking at particular situations and evaluate how you are based on these 3 areas. Under regulation, you're going to look at planning, which involves goal setting, managing and monitoring, which involves your best practices, assessing your strategies, problem solving, which is correcting as you go through the process, and evaluating, reflecting on your performance. So take a few minutes and take the Metacognitive Awareness Inventory. There are specific instructions that you need to follow. You need to read each situation and put a 1 if it is true for you and a 0 if it's not. At the end, you will total up your scores and look at the areas that are your strongest and the areas in which you need to focus on and develop particular behavioral shifts for. This is a preview of the survey you're going to take. When you're done, think about what works for you when it comes to learning. What are your challenges? Why do you do what you do? Do you really know what you know? Are you aware when you don't know certain information? Do you change and create new strategies if you feel or see that one isn't working? Do you seek resources? So look at your survey results and focus on the areas in which you scored the lowest, and that should signal you to a better understanding of yourself and where you are and what you need to work on.